How to add paper transition in the videos, so let's get started. First, create the ratio for the TikTok or YouTube short like this. You just have to follow the steps which I'm doing. Here is the ratio for the TikTok or for the YouTube shorts. Now go to the transitions and click on the paper bowl transitions before this. First, split the screen or your video clip like this. And search for the paper bowl transition. Now here is your transition is apply now. You can add some sound effect in your video, as you know that sound gives you videos a life. So let's do this. Search for the paper crumbling sound effect like this. And you can change the video. I just try to learn you that how much easily you can add transition into your videos and make your videos more effectively for you viewers. Repeat the process as we do in the beginning of the video for the YouTube short ratio. If this video helps you, then click on the subscribe button and so yup, this is the final result. Thanks for watching.